Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the sticker closely. Look for creases, cuts, or broken antenna traces because those cause read failures. Once done, test read range with a phone or reader at 10 cm increments to confirm problem area. Make sure to gather supplies: clear tape to stabilize layers, a conductive ink pen or fine copper foil for trace repair, scissors for trimming, and 70% plus isopropyl to clean the surface before any repair. This prevents poor bonding and signal loss. You now perform the core repair. Clean the damaged antenna region with isopropyl and let it dry fully for 30 to 60 seconds so adhesive and ink adhere. Next, bridge breaks using a conductive ink pen or a narrow copper foil strip, applying steady pressure to form a continuous trace. This restores the RF path. Once the conductive repair cures, reinforce the area with clear tape to keep layers flat and stable, but make sure not to short the chip or add overlapping metal that detunes the antenna. You finish by retesting the sticker at multiple orientations and distances to confirm improvement. Note any remaining dead zones so you can target further fixes. Then seal edges with clear tape and flex gently to ensure the repair holds under motion. If the sticker still fails, make sure the chip is aligned and not internally damaged. Sometimes the antenna is beyond repair and replacing the sticker or transferring the chip to a replacement antenna is necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if reads are weak, remove nearby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.